Friends, subject maths, chapter number 3, pair of a linear equation in two variable. New method, cross multiplication method. For two equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 has three solution. Here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Again write we are a1 a2 and b1 b2. So we can justify that x, y and 1. So if we want to write x, so x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If we are comparing these three quantities, we can get answer of x and y. Let's check. We can get x is equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y is equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now, what is the solution? And this is the MCQ. This is for MCQ. If a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, that means equation has unique solution. If a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, infinitely many solution. And if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2, no solution. We discussed earlier this thing. Let us see an example. Find the solution by cross multiplication method. Two equations are given. 3x minus 5y is equals to 20. 6x minus 10y is equals to 40. Here 20 and 40 are in the right hand side. First we have to come out in the left hand side. That means 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equals to 0. Now let us take a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. So a1, a2 3, 6, b1, b2 minus 5 minus 10 and c1, c2 minus 20 minus 40. Let us check a1 upon a2 is equals to 3 upon 6. That means 1 by 2. b1 upon b2 is equals to minus 5 minus 10 minus minus cancel 5 2s are 10. Again 1 by 2. c1 c2 is equals to minus 20 minus 40 minus minus cancel 20 2s are 40. Again 1 by 2. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. According to condition, there are infinitely many solutions possible for this equation. Let's see another example. For what value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? Here no solution is most important word. Equation are 3x plus y is equals to 1, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equals to 2k plus 1. So first of all, write in the generalized form 3x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0, 2k minus 1x, k minus 1y minus 2k minus 1 is equals to 0. First of all, write down a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So a1, a2 3 upon 2k minus 1, b1 upon b2 1 upon k minus 1, c1 upon c2 minus 1 upon minus 2k minus 1. Here condition is given that no solution. That means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. Let's check. 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 upon k minus 1 is not equals to minus 1 upon minus 2k minus 1. So we have to check this and find the value of x again. Sorry, k. 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 upon k minus 1. Cross multiplication. 3 into k minus 1, 2k minus 1. 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. 3k minus 2k, 3 minus 1, so k is equals to 2. Another example, find the solution by algebraic method. First, places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? So let speed of first car is be x kilometer per hour and speed of the second car is y kilometer per hour. Now general equation is speed is equals to distance upon time. So distance is equals to speed into time. Here distance are common. If car travels in same direction, then speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour, and if car travels in opposite direction, then the speed is equals to x plus y kilometer per hour. According to information, 5 x minus y is equals to 100 divided by 5 matlab that means 20. X minus y is equals to 20 equation first, and 1 into x plus y is equals to 100, x plus y is equals to 100 equation. Now add the equation x minus y is equals to 20, x plus y is equals to 100, y cancel out, 2x is equals to 120, so we get x is equals to 60 km per hour. Put this value in equation 1, x plus y is equals to 100, 60 plus y is equals to 100, that means we get y is equals to 40 km per hour. So one car speed is 60 km per hour and second car speed is 40 km per hour. Second example, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. If we increase the length by 3 unit and breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square unit. Find the dimension of the rectangle. So let length be x and breadth be y. So rectangle's area is equal to length into breadth, so x into y is our area. Now according to data, length is decreased by 5 and breadth is increased by 5. Total area is increased by 9. So x minus 5 into y plus 3 is equals to x5 minus 9. Multiply with these two brackets, we can get xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equals to xy minus 9. xy are cancelled. So 3x minus 5y minus 15 plus 9 is equals to 0. So we can get 3x minus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0, equation number 1. Now according to data, length is increased by 3 and breadth is increased by 2. Total area is increased by 67. So if we solve this, x plus 3 y plus 2 is equals to xy plus 67, we can get xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus xy minus 67 is equals to 0. The xy cancel out. 2x plus 3y minus 61 is equals to 0, equation number 2. Now let us compare with the general equation and we can get a1 a2 32 b1 b2 minus 5 3 c1 c2 minus 6 minus 61. So we can solve this by cross multiplication method. X upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Put the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in this equation. So we can get minus 5 into minus 61 minus 3 into minus 6 is equals to y upon minus 6 upon minus 6 into 2 minus minus 61 into 3 is equals to 1 upon 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 5. Solving this, x upon 305 plus 18 minus minus plus, again y upon minus 12 plus 183 minus minus plus 1 upon 9 plus 10. So solving this, x upon 223 y upon 171 is equals to 1 upon 19. So compare with x to 1 y to 1. X upon 323 is equals to 1 upon 19 and y upon 171 is equals to 1 upon 19. By solving this equation, we can get x is equals to 17 and y is equals to 9. So length is 17 and breadth is 9. Equation reducible to a pair of a linear equation in two variables. First solve. 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 2, and 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1. Here 1 upon x minus 1 we take a, and 1 upon y minus 2 we take b. So the equation now form as 5a plus b is equals to 2, equation first. 6a minus 3b is equals to 1, equation number 2. Here we use elimination method and we eliminate b. So if we want to eliminate b, we have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and add into equation number 2. So 15a plus 3b is equals to 6. 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. 3b 3b cancel out. 15a plus 6 is 21a. 6 plus 1 7. So we can get the value of a, which is equals to 1 upon 3. Put this value in equation number 2, so we can get value of b. So 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Put the value of 1a, 1 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 minus 1. We can get b, value of b, which is equals to 1 upon 3. So a is equals to 1 upon 3 and b is equals to 1 upon 3. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to 1 upon 3. Reciprocal, x minus 1 is equals to 3. So x is equals to 4. And 1 upon y minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 3. We can get reciprocal, so y is equals to 3 plus 2, y is equals to 5. So next example, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 30 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in the still water. This is most important example. So let us check. Let the speed of a boat in still water be x km per hour and speed of the stream is y km per hour. Then speed of a downstream. Here boat and stream are in same direction, so the speed are addition. X plus y is equal to x plus y km per hour, and speed of the down upstream is equals to x minus y km per hour. Again, speed is equals to distance upon time, so time is equals to distance upon speed. According to data, in first case 30 km upstream, so t1 is equals to 30 upon x minus y. 44 km downstream, so t2 is equals to 44 upon x plus y. Total time is equals to t1 plus t2 is equals to 10 hours. So 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y is equals to 10, equation number 1. In second case, 44 km upstream and 55 km downstream, so t1 is equals to 40 upon x minus y and t2 is equals to 55 upon x plus y. Total time taken is 30 hours. So t1 plus t2 is equal to 30. 40 upon x minus y and 55 upon x plus y is equals to 30, equation number 2. Now let 1 upon x minus y is equals to u and 1 upon x plus y is equals to v. So equation are as follows. 30u plus 44v is equals to 10. So we can get 30u plus 44v minus 10 is equals to 0 for cross multiplication method, and 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. So we can get 40u plus 55v minus 13 is equals to 0. By cross multiplication method, x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So x upon 44 into minus 13 minus 55 into minus 10 is equals to y upon minus 10 into 40 minus 30 into minus 13 is equals to 1 upon 30 into 55 minus 40 into 44. After solving these things, we can get x upon minus 22 is equals to y upon minus 10 is equals to 1 upon minus 110. Comparing x with the 1 and y with the 1, here x and y taking as a u and v, because equation are in u and v form. So x is equals to minus 22 upon 110, we can get 1 upon 5. Y is equals to minus 10 upon 110, we can get 1 upon 11. Now 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1 upon 5. So x minus y is equals to 5, and 1 upon x plus y is equals to 1 upon 11. So x plus y is equals to 11. Now add the both equation, so we can get the value of x, which is equals to 8, and put this value in the any of equation, we can get the value of y, which is equals to 3. So both speed is 8 km per hour and speed of water, matlab steel in water speed is 3 km per hour. Let us see another example. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in the 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Now, let number of days taken by a woman is be x and man by y. Work done by woman in 1 day is equals to 1 upon x and work done by man in 1 day is equals to 1 upon y. Now, according to question, 4 into 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 1. So 4 is into division form. So 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 1 upon 4, and 3 into 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equals to 1. So 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equals to 1 upon 3. For 1 upon x we can take a, for 1 upon y we can take b. So the equation are as form: 2a plus 5b is equals to 1 upon 4, 3a plus 6b is equals to 1 upon 3. Multiply by 4 into right hand side. So 8a plus 20b minus 1 is equals to 0 and 9a plus 18b minus 1 is equals to 0. By cross multiplication method, we have to first find a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. So a1, a2 are 8 and 9, b1, b2 are 20 and 18, c1, c2 are minus 1, minus 1. A upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to b upon a1 c2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If we put the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, we can get a upon minus 2 is equals to b upon minus 1 is equals to 1 upon minus 36. We compare a with 1, b with 1. So a upon minus 2 is equals to 1 upon minus 36, b upon minus 1 is equals to 1 upon minus 36. For solving the value of a, we can get 1 upon 18 and the value of b 1 upon 36. Here, a is equals to 1 upon x and b is equals to 1 upon y. Put the value. 1 upon x is equals to 1 upon 18. So x is equals to 18 and 1 upon y is equals to 1 upon 36. Y is equals to 36. So number of days taken by a woman is 18 days and number of days taken by a man is equals to 36 days. So here is the completion of the chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. Please like, share and subscribe and comments.